Today, I'll show you how to log out of Claude AI on all devices so you can make sure your account stays secure wherever you've used it. This is especially useful if you've signed in on a shared computer, a work device, or you just want peace of mind that no old sessions are still active in the background. First, you'll need to open Claude. You can do this either in a web browser by going to the Claude website or by opening the Claude mobile app if you have it installed on your phone or tablet. It doesn't matter which one you use, the process is essentially the same. Just make sure you're signed in with the account you want to manage. Once Claude is open, look for your profile icon. On the desktop website, this will be in the bottom left corner of the screen. It usually shows either your initials or a small profile image. On mobile, the profile icon is at the top right corner. Take a second to locate it and then tap or click on that icon. When you open your profile menu, you'll see a few options related to your account. Here, you want to select Settings. This is where all of your account configuration and security options live. Click or tap on Settings to open the Settings page. Inside Settings, you'll see several sections organized into tabs. You're looking for the one labeled Account. Go ahead and navigate to the Account tab. This is the area that controls things like your login information, security settings, and your current sessions. Once you're on the Account tab, scroll down the page until you find a section called Active Sessions. This section lists the devices and locations where your Claude account is currently signed in. For example, you might see your current browser, your phone, or another computer you used in the past. It's a good idea to glance through this list occasionally just to make sure everything looks familiar. If you notice devices you don't recognize, or if you've recently used Claude on a public or shared computer, logging out of all devices is a smart security step. Even if everything looks normal, doing this from time to time is a simple way to keep your account locked down. To log out everywhere at once, look for the button in the Active Sessions section labeled Log Out of All Devices. When you click or tap this button, Claude will end all active sessions connected to your account. That includes browsers, mobile apps, and any other devices where you're signed in. After you confirm, you'll usually be signed out almost instantly from those other locations. You may also be signed out on your current device and asked to sign back in. If that happens, just log in again with your usual credentials. From that point on, only the new session you've just created will be active, and that's all there is to it. By opening Claude, going into your profile, heading to Settings, choosing the Account tab, scrolling to Active Sessions, and selecting Log Out of All Devices, you can quickly and safely sign out everywhere with a single action.